Welcome to our extended tour of the top gyms in Pattaya, Thailand. If you're looking for the best fitness options in this vibrant coastal city, you've come to the right place. In the next 4 minutes, we'll take you on a journey through Pattaya's premier fitness facilities, showcasing what makes each gym unique and why they stand out in 2025. Pattaya has become a growing fitness hub in Thailand, offering gyms with world-class equipment and diverse training options for both locals and travelers. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, there's something for everyone in this bustling city. Let's kick things off with Muscle Factory Pattaya, a true paradise for professional bodybuilders and serious fitness enthusiasts. Located in the heart of the city, this gym is known for its impressive array of heavy free weights, advanced machines, and ample open space for functional training. As you step inside, you'll feel the raw energy of dedicated athletes pushing their limits. Muscle Factory has become a favorite among long-term expats and hardcore lifters, thanks to its no-frills approach to fitness. The gym may not have air conditioning, but powerful industrial fans keep the space functional even during the hottest days. With its protein cafe on site, you can fuel up before or after your intense workout sessions. Next up on our list is Universe Gym, an affordable and beginner-friendly option that's perfect for travelers looking for a short-term workout plan. This gym offers a welcoming atmosphere for those who might feel intimidated by more intense training environments. Universe Gym boasts a great mix of cardio machines and weight training equipment, ensuring you can maintain your fitness routine while enjoying your stay in Pattaya. The gym's flexible membership options make it an ideal choice for tourists who want to stay active during their vacation. Whether you're looking to squeeze in a quick workout between beach sessions or maintain your fitness regimen while traveling, Universe Gym has got you covered. Last but certainly not least, we have Tony's Fitness, a long-standing brand in Pattaya's fitness scene. With multiple branches scattered around the city, Tony's Fitness has established itself as a go-to destination for both locals and expats. What sets this gym apart is its strong focus on community and variety. Tony's Fitness offers an extensive range of group classes, from high-energy cardio sessions to relaxing yoga classes. Their team of experienced personal trainers is always ready to help you achieve your fitness goals. But it's not just about working out. Tony's Fitness has cultivated a social community where members can connect, motivate each other, and even make lasting friendships. So, why do these gyms stand out in Pattaya's competitive fitness landscape? First and foremost, they all offer quality equipment and maintain a professional atmosphere. Whether you're into hardcore lifting or prefer a more casual approach to fitness, you'll find a gym that suits your style. These top gyms in Pattaya also understand the unique needs of their diverse clientele. They offer flexible memberships that cater to both long-term residents and short-term visitors, ensuring that everyone can access top-notch fitness facilities regardless of their length of stay. As we wrap up our tour of Pattaya's best gyms, we hope you're feeling inspired to explore these fantastic fitness options on your next visit to this beautiful city. Whether you're a serious athlete looking to maintain your training regimen or a casual gym goer wanting to stay active during your vacation, Pattaya's top gyms have something for everyone. Don't forget to check out these gyms when you're in Pattaya. Your body will thank you. And if you enjoyed this insider's guide to fitness in Pattaya, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more travel and lifestyle tips about this amazing destination. From hidden gems to must-visit attractions, we've got all the information you need to make the most of your time in Pattaya. So, what are you waiting for? Get ready to pump some iron, break a sweat, and experience the best of Pattaya's fitness scene. Your next workout adventure awaits in this tropical paradise.